Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tiny Scholars Playgroup. Today we will learn letter K. What is this? This is a cat. This is a cat. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. What is this? This is a cup. Wow, what is this? This is a cake. This is a cake. What is this? This is a cake. What is this? This is a candle. This is a candle. What is this? This is a candle. Let's revise. Cat, cup, cake, candle. Do you know who is the friend of all these things? Very nice. K. K is the friend of all these things. Which sound is this? K. Which sound is this? K. Repeat after me. K, cat. K, cup. K, cake. K, candle. Do you think more words starting with K? K, carrot. K, carrot. K, clown. K, clown. K, candy. K, candy. Now let's have a quick recap what we have learned today. Which sound is this? K. Which sound we learned today? K. K, cat. K, cup. K, cake. K, candle. K, carrot. K, clown. K, candy. Very nice. Now let's see how to trace K. Start from the big dot. Go round. How to trace K? Start from the big dot. Go round. Which sound we learned today? K. Which sound we learned today? K. Very nice. Hope you enjoy today's lesson. See you soon on the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.